Okay, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your mono audio to stereo audio. Mono audio mostly likes playing from like one speaker, probably from the left speaker or from the right speaker, while stereo uses like the left and the right speaker. Yeah, just plays it smoothly. So let me show you how to convert it. So the simplest way to convert it is to go to your source file. So click on the audios, click on the audios, click on them of the audio you're working on. Then you select it. Once you select it, you right click here, you go to modify, you look for audio channels. So this is your audio channels. Like you see here, it is mono, so which is not right. What you have to do is to click on this place that it writes mono, then you change it to stereo. So now you can see that this is left and right. Before it was just the left speaker that was playing. So now changing it to stereo was like left and right. So that's how to do it. To have that, you select yes. So that's how to do it. Then it plays smoothly for you. Yep. So subscribe.